I discovered this bolt on the kind of a subframe here is loose on both sides. This is, I can actually turn it with my fingers here. Can't turn the right side with my fingers, but I'm on the left side now. So I'm wondering if I should just take a 17 or maybe a 19 millimeter, or whatever that is, and just hog down on that and suck that thing back up to where it belongs. Because like I said, you only hear this noise when you're sitting in the car. As soon as you hop out of the car, either side, the noise goes away, the vibration goes away. So I'll grab some wrenches to see if I can hog down on that.